we're going to be looking at inserting a function. Okay, the function we're going to use is if statements. So I'm just going to bring up a spreadsheet that I've already made. Okay, and this will be part one. I've got a set of students here. Okay, I've put in marks, percentages that they've got in a test, for instance, and I want Excel to work out whether they've automatically whether they've passed or failed this particular test. This particular test is out of 100, and the pass mark is 50. Okay, so we're going to use this if function. It's a logical test. If the contents of B2, which is, there's B2 there, the cell B2, if the contents of B2 is greater than or equals to 50, then please return a pass. If it's not true, then please return a fail. So if it's false, it's a fail. If it's true, it's a pass. Okay. Now, I personally like to write my formulas by hand, and that's what we've done so far in the course. But you do need to know how to insert a function, so I'm going to do it the insert function method, if you like. Click on formulas. Okay, here's the insert function button. But before we do that, Excel has got a lot of functions. Okay, these are recently used ones. Okay, these are financial ones, logical, textual, date and time, lookup and reference, maths and trigonometry, and if you look there you'll kind of see things like tan and cosine, exponentials. Okay, and there's more functions under statistical, engineering, cube, information and compatibility. So there's a lot of functions. It's like mission impossible to do all of these in one course, and I wouldn't even try to attempt it. But if you're looking for a specific function to put into your spreadsheet and you're not sure, you know, how to do it or what it's all about, how it would work, then just go to YouTube and put in, for instance, in this particular case, the if function logical test, and you'll find lots of useful tutorials that will give you a good deal of examples to help you solve your problem. Okay, so I'm going to put my cursor in the normal way where I want the function to be. Click insert function. Okay, and I get the insert function dialog box. I'm looking for the if function, so I type in if and click go, and Excel finds if there for me. Click OK, and it will bring up the arguments dialog box. Okay, so I'm just going to put in if, whoops, I'll put in capitals. Now you'll see that if open brackets is already up here, so all I've got to put in here is B2, and see it's actually writing it up here, B2, okay, is greater than, and I need to use my shift key, okay, or equals to, no shift key, and this particular test I'm looking at a 50 mark pass, 50% pass, so I'm going to put in 50. Obviously this can be changed to suit your need. Don't forget to put in the comma. I'm not sure whether I need to do that or whether Excel will do that, so I'll just go to value if true, and I might have to come back to that first box there. I'm just going to put in pass. Okay, and I'm just going to put in fail. You could put nicer words like resubmit. Okay, just one thing, I don't know whether you noticed, but Excel automatically has put in that comma for me, and it's also put in the speech marks. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that, and I guess that's the good thing about using that little wizard. Okay, and when I press enter, okay, it actually returns a pass because that person's got 55. Okay, and we all know the fill down, I hope. We don't have to do this over and over again. We just go fill down, and there we are. It's automatically going to say who's passed, and of course this person got 22, so that they've failed, and it will actually do this according to our function syntax criteria for pass fail. Okay, so that's part one. You feel free to copy mine and then upload it to me, or make one up of your own to suit your needs. Okay, I'll catch you on the next tutorial. Thank you.